Let's connect AVATrade to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for AVATrade in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. AVATrade connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in AvaPartner, open Integrations, go to Postback Pixels, set the trigger to first deposit, and paste it into the postback URL field. Back in wecantrack, your AVATrade account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.